Hey guys, what's up? So starting off with my eyes like I normally do, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to be using this for a majority of the eye look. But I'm taking that purple shade that I showed you with a fluffy crease brush and applying that to my lid, and I'm blending this up towards my eyebrow bone. And if you can't tell by the title, the look that I'm doing today is mermaid inspired because I'm doing a super pretty colorful look that you guys saw in the thumbnail. And then with the smaller crease brush, I'm going in with a darker purple, and I'm focusing this more in the crease and I'm not blending it out too much. If you can't tell, I'm inspired. If you can't tell, I'm inspired by the last look that I did, the goodbye summer makeup tutorial that was super colorful with all those pinks and oranges in it. I realized I haven't been using this palette to its full extent and potential, so I've just been playing around with colors and seeing what kind of looks that I could come up with, and this is another one that I felt that I should share with you guys. Next, I'm going in with that the two indigo shades with the pencil brush, and I'm applying that directly in my crease as well on top of the color that I applied before this, and I'm just building up the color before I blend it out in my crease, and then I'm slowly building it into the outer V as well. And then I'm just going back in with that fluffy crease brush and blending everything out. And then for my lid shade, I'm taking this pretty baby blue shade with the dense brush and just packing that on a couple of times so that my next shade has something to stick to and it pops out more. Okay, and with that same brush, I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics Foiled Eyeshadow palette with those two blue shades and just applying it to the lid. And I applied some lashes off camera, and I believe I used my Eyelur lashes. And for for foundation today, I'm using my Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation in the shade Caramel. I'm blending that out with my L'Oreal sponge. And then I'm just highlighting with my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium, and I contoured with my LA Girl Concealer in the shade Toast. And then I'm just going back in with my L'Oreal sponge and blending everything out like I normally do. And then I'm just setting everything that I highlighted with my, what am I using? I believe I'm using my Coty Airspun powder. And I'm applying this as close to my nose as possible just to give it a slimmer look. And then I'm just cleaning up my contour so that it appears more sharp. And then I'm going back in with my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and applying those same shades that I used on my eye to my lower lash line. And first I'm going in with the blue, and then underneath the blue I'm going in with the little purple shades that I used. And to line my lips, I'm using my NYX lip liner in the shade Plum, and I'm just outlining my lips and slightly filling them in on the bottom. And then instead of lipstick, I'm wearing my NYX lip gloss in the shade Fortune Cookie, I believe. And then to highlight, I'm using my Wet n Wild Mega Glow palette in the shade, and I'm taking the highlight Tiger Lily and applying that to the high points of my face. And then for mascara, I'm using my Lash Paradise. And that completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.